You're over 40. You've got the knowledge. Now, HeyGen lets you show up on camera in 175 languages without ever hitting record. Think about that. Every lesson, every tutorial, every product walkthrough delivered in French, Spanish, Japanese, Arabic, without a studio, without a camera crew, without re-recording anything. You just type your script into HeyGen's AI studio, and your avatar handles the rest. It replicates your face, your voice, your gestures with real precision. Not robotic, not stiff, actually natural. I've been creating content for years, and the production side always slowed me down. With HeyGen, I type, I animate, I publish. That's the whole process. Your avatar can run 175 languages with accurate tone and pronunciation, meaning your content finally reaches a global audience, not just your local one. You've built the expertise over decades. Now let the technology multiply it. Click the link below and create your first AI avatar today.